Hey, what's that?
Oh, these are really funny. These are wine back labels.
I get it. Wine bottles have labels on the front and on the back.
Yeah, sure. But the ones on the back are just, nothing. No one bothers to read them. See how easy it is to put it on?
Oh, hey, a crack and peel. Are you going to show it to our friends tonight?
You bet. And as soon as I hand it to them, I'm going to ask them to read that back label.
Oh my gosh, you brought us some wine? That's so nice. Thanks. Wait, what? Read the back label? Oh, where did you get that? It's so cute.
A hint of complexity supported by very nice legs. An estate-grown Chardonnay with just a little bark to it. Fruity, beauty, cutie, and snooty. Full body with very soft tannins. Too damn many fancy labels. It was confusing. One of those muscular Cabernets.